Welcome, Safemoon Army. Welcome to another Greek DeFi Guru video. I'm here for you, giving you the Safemoon news you deserve. If you love what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I release the newest, greatest, best Safemoon content for you. I am growing strong. Today we have another great video. The Greek is here to restore hope for the Safemoon Army. Today, we are going to do just that, restore the hope that was taken from us, and let's get to it. Greek is a Safemoon lover. He loves all things Safemoon. Safemoon's not going anywhere. Safemoon's his baby. He's here for you, Safemoon Army. Stop reading into my titles of my video and going, Greek, I thought you meant... No, the Greek's not going anywhere. The Greek's not leaving. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is my own opinion, should be taken for entertainment purposes only. I'm just your favorite Greek, giving you the Safemoon news you deserve. Do your own research. Now, I'm growing fast, so like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I release great Safemoon content for you. Now, in the news today, we are going to restore the hope that was lost. Now, Seeking Peace on Twitter, the LP, he the blockchain wizard who had supposedly created a blockchain, he who supposedly knows whose wallet is whose within Safemoon and knows his shit in the blockchain, cannot tell you the life of him what was happening to the Safemoon LP. LOL, please just give up the BS. This is talking about Thomas, the wizard clown. And then Danny, the Dutch programmer, responds, want to hear some facts. The weird transactions of the Gabe wallet stopped when Thomas was kicked out of Safemoon. That is very interesting. This really is very interesting. Maybe that's the reason why he was kicked out, because of those weird Gabe transactions and all that stuff. I don't know, but I know Thomas is a scumbag, and we should not listen to a single thing he says. Do not listen to that guy. Do not listen to any guy who was let go by John Caroni, because they are not looking out for our best interests, Safemoon Army. We need to just trust the process, trust the team we have in place now. And, Safemoon Warrior also tweets, Safemoon, talk to some people. We had to orchestrate something because of F. John. I'm sick of this. Now, this is from a clip of a space where Moon Matt is talking about something. I'm going to play this clip right now for you.
Down a little bit, had to talk to some people, and we had to orchestrate something, because fuck John. I'm sick of his shit. I love Safemoon, but I'm sick of John. I want Safemoon to be a DAO that has nothing to do with the Coronis in any way, shape, or form. But go ahead, whoever was talking. Hope.
Yeah. You can hear he's pretty animated about his feelings for John and wanting to get rid of John. Moon Matt is a scumbag, the scum of the earth. He has created projects that rugged, and people want to listen to these guys. They want to give them the platform. If you're going to find a source to go against Safemoon, find guys who are credible and have not rugged other projects and have not done bad, shady things to begin with. Why do we keep putting our eggs in their basket, Coffee? Huh? No. Find somebody who's part of the project now to talk that same crap. Talk about the scams, the rugs, how they're stealing from the LP. Yeah, you can't. Now, I found this, and it's very interesting. Now I'm going to give you a version of speculation that you've probably not heard. Number one, Safemoon was not built initially to be a long-term token. It was a rug pull. This, we all know. This is common knowledge. The initial team needed an scapegoat and hired John Caroni. They messed up by hiring the son of 2 CIA agents and someone with military background who probably doesn't want to go to jail for a long time due to fraud. John found out what they were doing and started an FBI investigation on his own company. Because if I was a CEO, I would like to know who's shady and who's not. He started letting people go that wanted to probably take all the LP and or every penny everyone had. Thomas, who is a blockchain expert, ironically never knew what was going on in the blockchain until after he left, which is true. All of a sudden, he's the blockchain expert after he's gone. Everyone that left was let go, moved on to start another rug pull, and so on. Got together and realized they were effed if someone didn't take the fall for the shit they did. John was the scapegoat for everyone doing fraud. How is it that everyone that's speaking out saying John did this and John did that are the same people that were associated to other later rug pulls, using the same Safemoon community to try and buy those new tokens? John has zero explanation to give as to what he does as the CEO to any of us. You think Elon or Bezos is going to explain their shareholder why they sold off their shares for liquidity? Money the scammers, fraudsters made from Safemoon and other rug pulls they created was used to distract everyone's attention from them by paying someone to make videos with top-notch edits and paying people to get into the Reddit group to start all the fun against John. John took over Safemoon, and prior to doing so, he already had plans to start a crypto and have multiple utilities for it. So he was going to use Safemoon to complete his projects, hiring majority veterans who I know don't want to go to jail by association, an HR team, and a bunch of employees that he is paying with W-2s. So, Safemoon Army, what do you want to believe? That John is the master behind all this fraud who's trying to defraud us when he is out there transparent. Everybody knows about him. He's got a lot to lose, a lot of reputation on the line. Or is the truth that the previous team that he let go, that hates him, are the frauders, and John has nothing to say because he got rid of them, and we're just bringing up old news. We're ripping off the band-aids of old crap. Well, I choose to believe that John's not a fraudster. John Caroni is the savior. Captain Hado! This is what is happening with Safemoon now. We are not that company. We are going someplace in the future. We have a lot planned. Now, Safemoon Warrior tweets, Safemoon senior moderator shares some insights about what is happening behind the scenes. Now, he was asked, how do you actually really know anything you just stated, please? And, of course, the moderator goes, I am a paid senior mod by Safemoon, and we do have some insight regarding what is happening behind the scenes, the projects, and so on. So sorry to disappoint a lot of people, but the projects are real, and the work behind is immense. I say this all the time, Safemoon Army. Stuff is happening. Just because you don't think it is doesn't mean it's not happening. They don't want to give you a product. They want to give you the product. Remember that? That is important terms. That's a term that I give. Okay? If I gave you $1 now, but tomorrow that dollar would rip and it would be worthless, would you want that dollar now? Probably not. But if I gave you $1 and I said that dollar is going to be worth $100 in the future because it's sustainable and its growth potential is there, you'd probably take that dollar. That is what's going on with these projects. So let's give them time. We are a year old. Things take time to develop. Let's go. This is not an overnight play. Everybody wanted to get rich quick. This is the problem with the $100 investor. Okay, we need to separate ourselves and stop listening to FUDs from $100 investors who thought, oh, I was going to go to the moon. They promised me the moon. Well, guess what? You may go to the moon. It just may take time. Now, Safemoon Insider. John hopped into Discord to talk about his experience at Fund Launch Live 2022 in Las Vegas, which is where he's at now, talking to big hedge fund managers, getting big money to listen to him. That awkward moment when you get on stage and there are more people there than Bridger, the one throwing the event as advertised. Went great. Some really amazing folks attending the conference. So there was a lot of people listening to Captain Huddle. Yeah, Safemoon Army. If that doesn't excite you, then I don't know what is. So drop a like right now for that. Leave comments on what you think. Safemoon Warrior also tweets, Safemoon Sales and Growth Manager Jonas posted on Instagram an image of John Caroni speaking in Las Vegas with a quote. What if we did it the other way? What if we aimed to return on impact before return on investment? These two ROIs live symbiotically in Safemoon. So what they're basically meaning is they want to return on impact. They want to make an impact in the world as well as making an impact on your investment. These two things are at the top of Safemoon's growth. They want to make change and disrupt the space. Give them the time to do it. Okay? Stop losing hope. Stop listening to Coffee Stupid, okay? And be like, oh my God, the world is falling. Guess what? No, it's not. The world is not ending. We are still here. We are still going to the moon, okay? If you don't believe, find the door. If you do believe, join the Greek. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for this channel so you know when I release the newest, greatest content. Now, we have Mandala news from the CEO, Safemoon Army, and Mandalorian Army. Let's get this train rolling. He's excited about getting the train rolling. And, hey, this is a partnership he looks forward to. Do you think he wants to get in bed with a scam? Huh? He was the same person yesterday who said, let the lawyers handle it. Stuff is not always what you think. I think he knows a lot more about what's going on than the average person. So let's get excited. We have Mandala coming. When Glotox is implemented, price action will move. When products are launched, FOMO will kick in. Stop looking at short-term price action because of Coffee Idiot and the weak hands getting out. Okay? That's all I'm going to say on that matter. Now, Safemoon Warrior tweets, Reddit user Shark52 has shared an image comparing Safemoon and Cardano. And you can see the charts and see where they're at, and they are identical. I've brought this up in the past when I was a young channel, and you just see it. You know, get some perspective, stop the FUD, understand the development cycles within the industry. Safemoon burn function was always going to take years to bear fruit. I mean, what more do I have to say to you guys when you look at charts and you look at other companies in the industry that have gone through the same thing and they look identical? You have to just back away, use your brain, and do your research, because stuff is not always as negative as people paint it out to be. And remember, this is a great picture that my friend Legion sent to me. The last thing to grow on a fruit tree is the fruit. It's a quote by Herman Sue. So remember, everything happens before we start bearing fruit. And that is the stage we are at in Safemoon's development right now. I mean, the tree has to grow. The leaves have to sprout. We have products coming out. And then that fruit will taste delicious. So Safemoon Army, if you're with the Greek, if you have your hope and restored, and you know what the project is, and you trust in the project, you trust in John Caroni, Captain Hoddle, take us to the moon, then join this channel, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I love all of you. This is a glorious Saturday. Let's enjoy the day and seize the moment, and together we can go to the moon.